Well, hi again, everybody. Brian Conway with this week's Mother Lode Fishing Report. Well, not really, because I'm not here. I'm on vacation. I might be off the coast doing a little saltwater fishing. Or Sacramento River, the salmon are starting to run up the Sacramento. A lot of good reports there. Or heck, I might even be at New Maloney's doing a little trout fishing. Or Lake Comanche doing a little bass fishing. I may even be over at Lake Hogan trying to catch a striper or two, but I'm not here. So, for 1340 96.5 KVGC and the Ledger Dispatch, this has been Brian Conway reporting. I'll get you an up to date fishing report next week. In the meantime, have a good week. Talk to you later.